Most virtual assistants struggle for years without seeing any real progress, and in most cases, it's not because they lack skills. In most cases, it's because of their approach to the industry. See, if you approach virtual assistants the same way you approach a traditional job, you are very unlikely to succeed, because there is one major difference between the online remote work world and the traditional job. And that major difference is the performance level. See, the truth is, in most traditional jobs, you can perform at a mediocre level and still survive. You can do the bare minimum and still keep your salary, maintain your job, and keep collecting salary. In fact, most people really perform at a mediocre level in a traditional job. And the system of traditional job is built to support that. But the remote work industry doesn't work like that. You cannot perform at a mediocre level and compete. So if you perform at a mediocre level, there is no way you can compete in the remote work world, because most of the people who are succeeding, all the people really who are succeeding, are performing at a highest level. So if you are performing at a mediocre level doing the bare minimum, there is no way you can compete with someone who is performing at the highest level. See, the truth is, almost anyone can maintain a traditional job. If you get hired as an office assistant, administrative assistant in a traditional office job, almost anyone can sustain that kind of job. But not everyone can maintain a virtual assistant job or working in a remote work industry. And that showed you there is a difference. In fact, the majority of people who want to work in the remote work industry doesn't end up succeeding. And that is the difference, really. The performance level is the difference. If you don't get out of the mediocre level performance, there is no way you are going to make it. If you decide you want to start virtual assistants today, or if you have been trying to succeed as a virtual assistant for a very long time, you are going to understand what I am going to say. You are going to come across things that are challenges every single day, challenges that you don't even know what to do about them. So if you are performing at that mediocre level, when you come across a challenge, the things that are going to come into your mind are, I don't have the capability to do this. I don't have the right computer. I cannot do this. I wish I have a mentor. You are going to have all kind of excuses that people who perform at a mediocre level use. But if you perform at that high level, when you come across a challenge, that is when you are going to get into problem-solving mindset. And there is no way you can succeed without developing a problem-solving mindset. And I can tell you, these people who perform at a mediocre level, they don't develop problem-solving mindset. Anytime a problem came up, they either come up with an excuse to say, that problem, I cannot do it because of that problem. Or they are going to use that problem as an excuse to look for a mentor, or to look for someone who can help them solve that problem. But people who perform at the highest level, when a problem or a challenge comes up, they look for a way to fix that problem and solve that challenge. And that is the only way you can succeed. Developing a problem-solving mindset that is going to help you fix any challenge, any problem, and really succeed. So if you are performing at a mediocre level, you have to make a decision. Do you want this thing to work? If you really want this thing to work, you have to get out of your head and really look at your problem. See that, yes, are you doing the right things? Are you performing at the highest level? When you encounter a problem or a challenge, do you use it as an excuse to stop doing what you are doing, to stop taking action? Or do you put everything you have into figuring out how to solve that challenge? I had an interaction with a student recently. The student, it was really a little bit challenging, because the student will send me an email explaining their challenge. They have a challenge with a software, and I will write a detailed explanation of how to solve the challenge and send it to the student. But the student will not respond when I send them a reply until after a week. They will send me the same email asking me how to solve that same challenge that I sent them an explanation of how to solve it. And after 3 times, I decided, that student is probably just looking for an excuse to not take action. And that is what we are going to have to fight. Anyone have an excuse to not do things. The people who perform at the highest level, they develop a problem-solving mindset that when a challenge came up, when a problem get in their way, they figure out a way to solve a challenge and fix the problem and move forward. Almost everyone who succeeded, that is how they succeeded. So if you are looking for that key thing that is going to help you open the door to succeeding, that is it. develop a problem-solving mindset, and perform at the highest level. If you find this video helpful, YouTube think you are going to find this one helpful also. Thank you for being here. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.